The Waterfall technique is a healing essential oil treatment, followed by a luxurious foot massage. 8 essential oils are dispersed along your spine with rhythmic massage strokes. The oils penetrate deeply into the spinal column, quickly addressing all systems of the body. This technique is highly detoxifying, very calming to the nervous system, and rejuvenating to the muscles. Invaluable for people experiencing stress, depression, anxiety, and pain. It's a euphoric experience. Add the Waterfall technique to your massage and receive the most healing treatment of your life. Discover Maya's massage and be truly cared for.